What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Queezy, man, with QueezyCars, man. We back again with another exclusive unboxing. Today, we got a pickup from Amazon. You get what I'm saying? You can't play with that Prime, man. That Prime always gonna come on time. You get what I'm saying, man? So let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, I had to get some more car parts for the truck, man. Trying to get that big boy right. You get me? Okay. So first thing first, we got some LED lights. It's a 10-pack. I believe these are for the interior of the truck. And also the license plate lights. I think that's what these are gonna be for. I got 10 of them. So I got enough for the whole inside, the outside. Feel me? We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. Next we got two of these LED lights. You get what I'm saying? These are the reverse lights. This is for the third brake light, and then you know the two tail lights. Had to go LED. And last but not least, we got the big boy, man. You know what I'm saying? These the headlight bulbs. You get what I'm saying? LED bulbs, man. Had to go LED, man. I had to, man. High beam, low beam, man. We got the full setup for real though. Yes, sir. The whole LED kit is in, man. I can't wait to plug these in and see what they look like on the truck, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all check out Amazon.com too, man, and order you some LED lights, man, because I believe I got all of these for, I would say no more than about $80, $85, bro. You know what I'm saying? These are my driving lights. I got the interior lights, and I got my reverse lights, man. I got all these for the low, man. You can't beat that, man. We getting rid of them regular yellow halogens, man, and we going LED, man. So upgrade your whip today, man. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Queezy.